When I grow up, I wanna be a big star. I'll work real hard, oh, you'll watch me and I'll get real far. Yeah, I dream big, but one day I'm gonna reach the top. 'Cause my whole life I'm gonna strive for it and never stop.
Started as a dream, kindergarten age 3, steady sitting at my desk in my elastic string jeans. I would days off in class, busy thinking about big things. Girls with cooties never messing with my brain. I was focused, I knew I was gonna be dope. Gotta make it, baby, like a game-winning free throw. So my grades straight A's, sports every day. Nothing like leaving both your parents amazed. I was so into life, everything gravy. Stay aiming at my goal, vision never hazy. It's crazy, but so young I had it so right. Persevering, I got things to do with my life. And it seemed this path laid out in front of me, paved dirt, no obstacles, just green. Ain't nothing gonna trip me up or bring me down. I'm on a mission and I'm singing it out loud.
When I grow up, I wanna be a big star.